you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the daily content coming of new incoming vehicles, new inventory that we purchase on a daily basis. 70 vehicles every week coming in non-stop. Try to buy the most latest model foreign and domestic vehicles, pickup trucks, cars for anybody really. We don't really focus on one type of product. We buy cars that meet everybody's needs. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Nissan Titan. Vehicle has front end collision damage, as you can see. Damage to the right front. Doesn't look like it's into the apron too much. It's a little wrinkle here that can be repaired. Frame looks okay right here. I don't see any buckles here on this side. Apron got to be pulled, straightened out. It's got some dent. It's got a wrinkle in the center of the radiator support, so it looks like it may have hit a pole. But the engine does run. It does drive. The radiators look good. I don't see any damage. We'll take a look underneath in a minute. I know the airbags are good on this one also. This apron looks square. Fender's not damaged. The headlight's not damaged. Got a little wrinkle here. Coolers sit pretty far back. You got a damage to this cross member here in between the two frame rails. So definitely hit a pole or a hydrant. The grille is damaged. Hood is damaged. Step back a little bit so you can see what it looks like. The vehicle does start and drive. It's a 4x4 salvage title. Excuse the video, doing the best I can. The yard is packed. Really nice from the doors back. Really sharp truck. Excellent work truck. Interior is like new. There's no airbags that are deployed. TVs in the headrests, pretty cool, and really nice. We'll post it on the website soon. Anybody interested, give us a call. Thanks for watching.